In a modern design and engineering environment, engineers need to collaborate with other project stakeholders. Autodesk Inventor 2019 includes a simple and secure method for working together as a team on visual representations of the model from any location on any device. It's called Shared Views and is available to customers on subscription. Once a view has been shared, collaborators have several ways to review the model with section views, measure capabilities, and even exploded assemblies with a simple drag of your mouse. Use markup tools to redline the design or add notes and comments directly to specific areas of the model. This can all be accomplished without installing a single Autodesk product. All markups and comments are posted to the panel on the right, making it easy for you to review the thoughts and considerations from other team members. Notifications are also sent via email as collaborators submit feedback. Also within the panel, you'll notice a link to share the view with others for feedback. This again can be accessed from any device such as a mobile phone or tablet. All the same features and functions are available. Clicking on previous comments take you directly to the same orientation, exploded, or section view. All feedback is up to date for everyone to review, whether you're in the Autodesk Viewer or even in the Shared Views panel within Inventor. Using Autodesk Shared Views in Inventor 2019 is a more effective way to communicate and collaborate with key stakeholders.